Today, we are diving into one of the most powerful and misunderstood tasks in the new PTE speaking format, summarize group discussion. If you've ever been confused about how to listen, take notes, and deliver a fluent summary in about 1.5 minutes, then this video is for you. I will break it down step by step, give you a powerful template, and show you a real example. Hey everyone, welcome back to PTE Language Institute. This is Sridhar, your trusted partner in PTE success. For some reason, if you're unable to score 79 plus on the PTE real test, then I'll be there to help you. We'll be there to help you. Just call us or WhatsApp us on the number given on the description below. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Also comment below. This way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future for you, which is going to benefit you.
I think governments need to take much stronger action to fight climate change. We're seeing the effects everywhere. Heat waves, floods, wildfires, and current policies just aren't enough.
I agree that climate change is serious, but drastic measures could hurt the economy. Businesses might struggle with sudden policy shifts, and that could lead to job losses.
Maybe a balanced approach is best. Governments could introduce incentives for green energy while gradually phasing out fossil fuels. That way, the economy has time to adapt, and we still move toward a cleaner future.
The group discussed government responses to climate change. One speaker emphasized urgent action due to increasing natural disaster, while another warned that extreme policies might harm the economy. The third speaker proposed a balanced solution, suggesting gradual changes and green incentives to protect both environment and the economy. The discussion reflected differing but constructive viewpoints.
I believe mobile phones can be beneficial in classrooms. They allow quick access to educational apps, online resources, and help students learn independently.
But they're also a huge distraction. Most students use them for social media or gaming during class, which reduces concentration and productivity.
Both views are valid. Maybe schools should allow phones under strict guidelines, used only during specific lessons or with teacher supervision.
The discussion was centered on the use of mobile phones in school. One speaker supported their educational benefits, highlighting access to apps and online resources. Another raised concern about distraction and reduced focus due to misuse. The third speaker suggested a middle ground, advocating for controlled use under teacher supervision. Overall, the conversation reflected differing opinions on balancing technology with discipline in education.
Social media has connected the world in incredible ways. It helps people stay in touch, share ideas, and even raise awareness for social causes globally.
That's true, but it also has negative effects. Many people, especially teenagers, face issues like cyberbullying and low self-esteem due to unrealistic standards on these platforms.
I think the real issue is how people use social media. With proper education and digital literacy, users can enjoy the benefits while avoiding the risks.
The speakers discussed the social impact of social media. One emphasized its positive role in connecting people and promoting global awareness. Another highlighted negative effects such as cyberbullying and mental health concerns, especially among youth. The third speaker suggested the user behavior is key, advocating for better digital literacy to maximize benefits and minimize harm. The conversation offered a balanced perspective on social media's influence.
I believe online education has revolutionized learning. It allows people from remote areas or with busy schedules to access quality education at their own pace.
That's true, but I think traditional education still plays a vital role. Face-to-face interaction, campus life, and real-time discussions are essential for developing soft skills.
Both methods have their strengths. Maybe a hybrid model is the future, combining the flexibility of online learning with the engagement of traditional classrooms.
The discussion focused on online versus traditional education. The first speaker praised online learning for its accessibility and flexibility. The second speaker emphasized the importance of in-person interaction and soft skill development in traditional settings. The third speaker proposed a hybrid model that integrates the strengths of both approaches. Overall, the conversation highlighted the evolving landscape of modern education. So that's exactly how you master the summarized group discussion task, by using structure, smart note-taking, and clear academic language. If you found this helpful, imagine what you can achieve with personalized feedback, daily speaking practice, and mock tests just like the real exam. Book a free demo class today. Let's get closer to the 79 plus score.